So hey guys, are you having trouble constructing an essay or are you cautious that your grammar is wrong? Well, I highly suggest this site that will fix your grammar so easily and it's free. This AI is such a handy tool that is very useful. So I'm gonna teach you how to use it. First, go to Google or Google Chrome and tap the search bar and search quillbot.com. So as you can see, it has a lot of options like paraphrasing tool, grammar checker, plagiarism checker, AI detector, AI humanizer, and translate. So all you have to do is to select grammar checker and type the sentence that you want to get checked. Then as you can see at the bottom, tap the grammar fix or fix grammar. And there you go, the grammar is already fixed.